Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel. New idea, new dreams, new day, new hopes. So I'm back with new creative videos on microservices. As we have gone through few videos on microservices such as introduction to microservices, then microservices with FastAPI, then path parameter, then get and post method, then curl operation, latest video, and many interesting videos on microservices. Today's video is really interesting and creative. By watching the today's video, you will get clear cut idea that what is about the get method. Okay, so I will showing a simple example of microservices with get method. So first of all, we will go through the I created a directory. In that main.py, very simple. Enum data type is taken here and model, and these are the message, and then so here get method will be there. Now I will execute the program. When I want to execute the program, you have to go out of the app directory. Yes, fine. Now here docs hash, then default get model models, then model name, model gets model name, okay, here yes is double. Yes, fine. Now I will show you the get method. Here these are the names, then Alex, execute. Here we can get here, so here that's all. Then RESTnet, very popular library, image processing library. Then RESTnet response body, successful response. So I successfully done with parameter using path parameter using get method. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, then TensorFlow, Keras, CNN, then if possible image face alignment. Then I will try to do one creative videos on attendance system, then face recognition, different image classification, fruits and vegetable classification. So for Python latest video, keep watching my youtube.com. Keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.